All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to discuss the privacy coin Ryo and how to mine it. I'm on their webpage, ryo.currency.com. If you scroll down, you can read about how it's private, untraceable, decentralized, fungible, anonymous, easy to use. So here, under private, Ryo was conceived with the highest levels of privacy in mind from day one. Ring confidential transactions, ring CT, with minimum ring size of 25 were implemented to conceal every transaction. So basically, your transactions go out with 25 other public keys. That can be increased. I have the wallet here pulled up. So when you're sending out of your desktop wallet, you can pick 100 or 25. Top secret is 100. The wallet also contains some other things. You can solo mine on it. And it has a bunch of other public keys you can use. So anyway, I'm going to do a brief overview so you can read about that more in depth yourself. So you scroll down and you can get the wallet, a web wallet. It has the desktop that I just spoke about. The technical specification, the algorithm is Cryptonight-GPU. It's FPGA ASIC botnet resistance. Total supply 88,188,888 coins in 20 years. Very good, nice and low. The development fund 8 million coins over 6 years. It's a white paper, an academic study, some technical things you can read about. And the useful links, you got the social links, GitHub, Bitcoin Talk, Reddit, Medium, Twitter, etc. The exchanges, mining pools. I'm going to shoot over to the Bitcoin Talk thread. You can read some more information about Ryo. It has similar information as the website, but there's some extra stuff in here. It talks about the emission scheme, gives diagram, why you should invest. So it has the core developers and contributing team and their priorities. And the wallet, again, the mining pools, the exchanges, Crex24, etc. Social media. And some things that they've done here in 2019. The wallet update was on June 1st, 2019. So I found this good article. It came out January 4th, 2020, thedailychain.com. I suggest you read it. It talks about the history of Ryo, the origins. So once upon a time, Monero forked from Bitcoin, the first cryptonoid coin. Due to concerns over the integrity of Bitcoin developers and massive pre-mine. Similarly, Ryo arose from the raised wreckage of another cryptonote currency named Sumo Coin. A mutiny led by Fire Ice, an act a former Sumo Coin team member would have us believe was treasonous till evidence of wrongdoing became incontrovertible. So it was that Fire Ice, Mosu, and PsychoCrypt started Ryo and offered a one-for-one swap for Sumo Coin holders wanting to jump ship. So basically, Fire Ice found a hidden pre-mine in Sumo Coin. So read about it. Here's the background, the motivation. Fair GPU mining developed an algorithm with focus on fairness from a technical standpoint. Cryptonight-GPU is highly innovative, the first crypto mining algorithm to make use of floating point arithmetic. So you can read about that. There's some more information here on the interview with Fire Ice. It talks about Cryptonight-GPU further here. And there's some other good information you'd want to read about in this article. So in their Medium article in January 2nd, 2020, it talks about what they did in 2019. So I recommend you read that. It talks about early in 2019, following goodies: CN GPU, Cryptonite-GPU, bulletproofs, uniform payment ID. The minimum ring size increased 13 to 25, and they are going to try to increase that to 100, maximum of, they increased it to 100, and they want to increase that, I'm sure, to make it even more private. So you can read about that. It's an important article, and it contains a lot of good information. So let's get into the mining part. So here I have my rig on Simplemining operating systems, SMOS, and I'm getting about 4.5 kilohashes. Let me get into the group configuration. So you can see here down below, up top here, mining Ryo. So you want to use the XMRStak CUDA 9.1 mining program. And here is the command line information you want to put in. Obviously, after -U, you want to put your public key address to mine to. And I am mining with 6 1060 NVIDIA GPUs, Zotacs. So you want to put -- noAMD, because I'm not, if you have NVIDIA's. And it is the Cryptonight-GPU. You want to see that it's mining here, Cryptonite_GPU. So let's go back to my rig. You can see here that I am mining and I'm getting shares. Share accepted, and I'm mining on ryo.miner.rocks. I'll get to that in a second. So my GPUs are running at about mid to high 50s. I get this one cool one here that's running at 49 degrees Celsius. My Zotacs here listed here. So let's go to the mining pool site. It is ryo.miner.rocks. You can read about it. Talks about their pool, talks about the network. Again, algorithm, Cryptonite-GPU. And here is my my worker's address. And you can see my statistics here. Just put in your, copy and paste your address here and look up, and your stats will come up. So here are my stats. Hash rate, 2 hours, total hashes submitted. I've been paid, unmatured, balance. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave in the comments section. I appreciate it. Appreciate your watching. I have other videos that you can check out. Please like and subscribe and share.